Hey everyone, and welcome to another HD tutorial. And this one, as you can see by the title, is going to be on how to install themes in Windows Vista. Now this is actually a relatively simple process, but this video is going to be a little bit longer just because this video has been requested by so many users, so it's got to be a pretty in-depth video, you know what I'm saying. So first of all, we're going to open up any web browser. For this one, I'm going to use Apple Safari web browser. And the first place we go is www.deviantart.com. And it'll take us to this website right here, which offers us, it's almost exactly like crystalxp.net, except they offer a whole bunch of different art, basically. They have 3D art, they have animations, and they have photography as well as other photos. But what I went to was, I scrolled down, and actually I can show you in this other tab here, I went to All Categories, Customization, then Skins and Themes. Once I got into Skins and Themes, I scrolled down and I actually went up here to search, and I searched Windows 7. So now I found a Windows 7 theme that I want to install in Windows Vista. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on it, and on the left hand side we will see it says download. This is actually, before you download it, you're going to want to scroll down and make sure you see everyone who has their comments to make sure it actually works. So thanks, it solved the problem, very nice. So things like that, perfect. So I'm thinking this is going to be a pretty reliable download. Keep in mind I haven't actually downloaded the theme yet. So I'm going to do is hit this download button right here. This is a preview.jpg, so I'm going to see what this actually does. Actually, it says right here, download from here. So you click on that link and it'll take you to a RapidShare account. Now obviously we're a free user, so we're going to have to go through a little delay. Yes, it has 30 seconds, so I'll come back to you guys when this is done. So here we go. It says the big bright download orb is right here. Just click on the download orb and it will begin your .rar download. This is a WinRAR download here. So here it comes up with a little window. Just hit that open button, very simple. And we see it's a 5.9 megabyte download, a decent size because it's skinning the entire Windows Vista theme as well as a background and a few different UI changes. So I'm going to come back to you guys when this is done. Alright, it says there's 1 second remaining in my download, so I've actually resumed the, here we go. Here's the .rar file. We're just going to hit the open button for this tutorial, and here we're going to see exactly, I'm going to hit close. This is exactly what it looks like when you've actually finished downloading the theme. So I'm going to exit out of the web browser here now that I have the theme. And now the next thing you need to know is that we have to find where Windows Vista actually hides our themes here. So I've actually written it down. We have to go to Start, My Computer, and I'm going to open My Computer here because most people don't have that link. Go on to Local Disk, go to Windows, and then scroll down until you get to the Resources button. Double click on Resources and double click on Themes. Now here's where we have, I've already tried a number of Windows 7 themes. Here's where we have the Windows 7 themes. All you have to do right now is click and drag that Windows 7 theme in. And right now it's dragging and copying, and we're going to hit continue. Now UIC is going to come up. I don't know if you actually saw that in Camtasia Studio 6, but that was UIC telling me do I want to cancel or allow. And there we have Windows 7. So if I were to double click on it, this is the, oh, I wasn't supposed to drag that, sorry. So I'm going to drag it back. So here we go. It is still in where I originally downloaded it. I'm going to double click on it, and it's going to tell me exactly my instructions here to using this application. So it says press the install button to start this exercise. So we're going to choose a destination folder, and as you can see, it is already by default selected Windows, Resources, and Themes. So that is very good. Just hit the installation button and allow. If UIC comes up, just hit allow, and then just go ahead and hit yes to all, and it would completely install that theme in here. So if I were to go back and back it up and go back into themes, the Windows 7 theme is actually in here. So now we're going to exit out of both. Actually, I'm just going to minimize this, and I'm going to right click on my desktop and personalize. Here's the part where you actually apply the theme. Just go right down to themes here. You probably already know this part. This is where you can change any theme in Windows Vista, and I'm going to see and find Windows 7 1440 by 900 is my resolution. Just click on it, and that's what it will look like when I apply it. Now I'm not actually going to apply it, but that is what it looks like, guys. And that is basically it. So if you have any other questions or any errors that came up while you were attempting to install a theme in Windows Vista, just see me and subscribe and send me a message, and I will get to it as soon as I can. And that is basically it. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and there are plenty more to come. If you have any other questions, like I said, send me a personal message. I'll do a video response or a video tutorial request. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace.